Hi there, in this video I will show you how to buy an international number. So for this I installed this Wiki app. So simply go to your Play Store and install the app. Once you install it, simply click on it and open it. Now here to buy a number, what you can do is click on add number here. Now here you need to choose the country of which you want a phone number. So let's say I want an Australian number, so I choose Australia. Then you can choose duration, you want 3 months or for 12 months. So for now we can go with 3 months only. I will go to 3 months and this is my profile name. Okay, now you can purchase with credit or you can purchase with Google Pay. Click on Google Pay and here enter your card details and then simply click on buy. So in this way your phone number will be buy. Okay, let me go back. Okay, how you can use this phone number? So here you will find all the SMS that will come on your phone number. So you will find them here, and if you find any calls, so you can check it from here, voicemails, and there you will find all the contacts, and from here you can dial any number if you want to call an international number. So in this way you can buy international number. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.